go get the kangaroo?
I'd be kangaroo too.
Zara, can you go get the kangaroo? Elle, show her the kangaroo. Walk over. You go stand by the kangaroo.
Stay behind the kangaroo. Here it is. There.
Oh, she sees the kangaroo. Go get him, Zara. Leave her alone.
Get me. Get it.
Oh, yeah. You can get him, Zara.
Almost. You always get my kangaroo bit. Almost. Almost get it.
No. Okay.
Get it. Get the kangaroo. Get him. Hold his hand and grab his hand. Grab his hand. Grab the hand.
Okay, let her get it herself, Elle. She can do it. Oh, what's that?
She got the kangaroo.
Mm-hmm.